slow wheelie. Probably one of the coolest things. If you can do this in the pits around your buddies, likely they can't. Make sure you work on this. Here we go. Slow wheelie it is. The key to the slow wheelie, which we have plenty of videos on this, is coming to an almost complete stop and getting to the balance point early, okay? And then controlling with the back brake. All right, come almost to a complete stop, pop it up. And then it's all modulating, oh, there's bushes. It's all modulating clutch, throttle, and back brake. You have to make sure that you have control of those and they're all working together. If you're not comfortable with that, we have plenty of videos on that.